Oh, good job. Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna brush you, Abra. There you go. Good job. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Your feet? Oh, yes. Look at your feet. Oh, yes. Look at your feet. Oh, good girl. It's my girl. Yes. Look at your ears. Oh, yes. It's my sweet girl. Oh, yes. Let's brush your belly. Yes. Good job. Sit. Down. Good job. Good girl. Sit. Stay. Abra, come. Good girl. There's meat in a bowl. Abra's a carnivore, so we feed her meat. Okay, Abra. To your food. Okay, leave it. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. All right, now you can have it. Someone's at the door. Abra, I need you to get up on your bed. Come on, Abra. Get up here. Lucky, you too. Come on, get up. Come on the bed. Lay down. Stay. Stay there. Yes, this is Grandma. Yes, what did you need? You needed a newspaper? Okay. You want out, Cat? There you go. Thank you very much. Good job, guys. Stay there. I'll be right back. Now, get on your bed. Lay down. Lay down. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Good girl, Abra. Come on. You're free. Come on. Good job, Sid. Good girl. Good job. Mwah, mwah. Good job. We're gonna play Find It. We got 3 cups, 1 treat. Sit. Let me flip them all over. Find it. You're too fast. Stop. Let's do it again. Find it. Good job. You did it. You did it. All right. Good job. Abra, let's go for a walk. All right, come here. Sit down. Sit. Wait. Here's Abra's ball. Okay, Abra, you ready? Go get your ball. Good girl. Good job. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, you ready? Ready? Get it. Good job. All right, good girl. Ready? Get it! Good job, Abra. Bring me your ball. Good girl. Good girl.